With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so in this question, the common roots of equation x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 and 1 plus x raised to 2008 plus x raised to 2003 is equal to 0. So we have to find a common root between these two equations where omega is complex cube root of unity. Okay, so we have given equation x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. So first of all, we will use hidden trial method. So if you put x equal to 0, then this value is coming out to be 1. This is not equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is not the root. Now if you put x equal to 1, okay, so it will be coming out to be 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. It will be 6. This is also not equal to 0. And now we will put x equal to minus 1. So it will be minus 1 plus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 1. So it will be coming out to be 0. So we have one of the root x equal to minus 1. Okay, so x plus 1 will be one factor this equation, and now we are multiplying to get this equation will be we will multiply x square to get x cube, and then we have 2x square. Okay, 2x square, so again multiplying with x, so it will be x square and 1x square from here, 2x square, and we have 2x, so from here we get only 1x, so we will add 1. Okay, and 1 into 1 1. Okay, got it. So this is the our simplified equation. So this is root minus 1, and we know that x square plus x plus 1 have roots omega and omega square, right? So these are the three roots of the given equation. Okay, so now we have to find the we have to satisfy this satisfy this equation. Okay, so for that, what we are doing, let's take x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1, it will be 1, and this is even, so 1, and it's odd, then minus 1 is equal to 1. So this is not equal to 0, so this is not a common root between two equation. Now we have put x equal to omega. Okay, for that 1 plus we can write this x raised to 2008 as a x raised to 2007 into x, right? So why we are doing this? Because this is the multiple of 3, and we know that omega raised to 3n is equal to 1, right? So here only x will be remaining, so 1 into omega, value of x is omega, and similarly here plus 1 into x is 2003. So 2003 also can be written as a, we can write this as a 2003, so 2001, x is 2001 into x square. This is multiple of 3, so it will be value of 1, only x square will be remaining, so omega square. So this is coming out to be 1 plus omega square. Okay, so value of this we know as a 0, so this is a common root. Now there will be x equal to omega square, so similarly it will be 1 plus 1 into omega square plus 1 into omega raised to 4. So this also can be written as the 1, you can write 1 plus omega square, and this is omega raised to 3 plus omega into omega. Omega raised to 3 will be 1, and remaining will be omega. So again this comes out to be 0. This is also common root. So we have two common roots, omega and omega square. So the right option will be option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.